Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to view saved items on Facebook Marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So after that you go to the marketplace, you need just to save some items. So basically let's just save this item and go for other items such this one for example, and to view them all we need to do is to go to our menu here. So basically now we go to this menu or the apps here and go at the bottom, and here we will find the saved items or saved things in our profile. And by that we will find here at first, or we will find in our saved items, we will find our listing that we have just saved. So as you can see, those are our listing that we have just saved here, and then if you click on them it will take us to the marketplace view or the listing view. So let's just refresh this one. And as you can see, this is our listing and it is just saved and we can view them whenever we want. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.